Good morning, my little ones. Children, it's drawing time for you. So get ready with your drawing book and crayons because today we are going to draw a yacht and fill color in the yacht. Parents, please prepare the page for your child by writing today's date and the topic. So children, are you ready to draw a yacht? Let's begin. With your brown color crayon, you will draw a straight sleeping line like this. Okay? And then a little short sleeping line with a gap. From here, we are going to join with the slanting line. From this side again, we are going to join it with the slanting line. Now, we are going to draw a straight standing line like this. Okay. Then, from here, we are going to make a curve like this. Join this with a curve to the top of the standing line. From here again this we are going to draw the lines and here we are going to draw a flag like this, a triangle. So our yacht is ready. Now we are going to fill color in it. So Kuldeep teacher is using a green color crayon. So with your green color crayon, you will go in one stroke. Left, right. One stroke, children. Nicely. So children, Kuldeep teacher has colored the yacht. And now we are going to take a yellow color crayon and color the sail of the yacht. Slowly in one stroke, we are going to color the sail. Very nice. Slowly, children. And with the red color, we are going to color the red flag. And children, where do we find a yacht? Yes, yacht. We are going to draw water for the yacht because it sails on water. So you will draw small sleeping lines for the water with your blue color crayon. Here our yacht is ready. That's all for now. Bye.